Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can center an image or photo on your diagram in Google Drawings. So let us get started. So head over to your diagram on Google Drawings, insert the image by clicking into Insert here, hover mouse over image, navigate either to Google Photos, Google Drive, or upload it from your device. So guys, once you have positioned the given image here, you can also center it on your canvas. As you can see, that's the canvas. You can resize it in your page setup and customize, for example, the aspect ratio of the diagram. And let's assume you would like to center the image. What you need to do is right click into it and you will see this option, center on page. So you can choose one of these options, horizontally or vertically, and after that it will be positioned in the center of your canvas. So if you choose both options, horizontally and vertically, it will look exactly like this. So thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.